That should be fine. I'm on my way back to my parents' house. Those are always so scary. Man, I just have this fear that one of these days, like, a car is gonna, like, fall off or just bust my windshield. Okay, I'd say my day is going pretty good so far. I don't work today, and I've been kind of just driving around, nothing really too important. Besides being scared by that truck with all the cars. Shout out to Anthony. Anthony's been my best friend for. I'm really sad that he's moved away, and I really miss Anthony. Miss our talks, Anthony, but one of these days we'll get to hang out. I don't know what I'm going to shoot for the rest of the day, but I can try to find something worthwhile and story-esque to shoot. Dang it. You know what? I had a Mustang, which got terrible gas mileage, but I eventually sold it last year, and I got this car. It's a Honda Civic, and I really love it. It's great gas mileage. I give you a tour. It's slightly messy. One of my favorite things is this economy button. Saves me on gas mileage. Like right now, currently, like, let's see that, 27.3 on average, which I'd say is pretty good. Has a nice AC flow. For those of you that don't know, my Mustang had no AC for the entire 5 years I had it, and the windows were broken, stuck straight up. So not only did I have no AC, I couldn't even roll my windows down. So there's some times where, like, my skin got all tingly. It was just so stinking hot in my car. So it's a blessing that I have air conditioning. And cologne pocket change, Mountain Dew real sugar. I have a sweet tea from McDonald's. Look at automaticness. I made my own word. Boom. Automaticness. Boom. Oh, there's an ambulance. just bounce up and down. Woo! Yeah! I think I can climb that. Okay, did you see that? It's really like 1,000,000 degrees outside. I can only imagine what it's like in Texas or Arizona, Saudi Arabia. You may have noticed whenever I was climbing the tree how I looked funny, like a zombie trying to climb a tree. Well, that's because, long story short, when I was 3, I had leukemia and lymphoma, and one of the side effects was I'm missing some of the muscles on the back of my legs. But it's a miracle that I'm still alive. That should be fine. It's a dragonfly. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Taco Bell. I really hope this waterfall doesn't start while I'm... Yeah, that's a bad word. Okay, I'm almost out. Ew, gross. Oh yeah, you look good. Hey, dragonfly. He's posing out. He's like, I know I look good. Bye, dragonfly. I'm back to my car. It's like 1,000,000 miles away. Someone bought a Q2 drink inside of Taco Bell. Naughty, naughty. I as well have my own QT cup. Ah, yes.